Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're looking at a genuinely fascinating and honestly pretty bold argument from our source material. The author claims that the AI industry's premium subscriptions are, for the most part, a giant marketing myth. So let's dive into the data to see if we've all been sold an expensive lie and uncover the absolute best free AI alternatives available right now. So I have to ask, are you currently paying the AI tax? Do you feel pressured to hand over a monthly fee just to keep up with the latest tech? Today's explainer is essentially a rescue mission for your wallet. The author argues that slick marketing has basically convinced us that real power only comes with a Pro or Plus plan, which leaves us feeling like we're going to fall behind if we don't pay up. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start by unpacking the AI subscription myth, then dive into free research and chat tools, conquering massive documents, how creators and artists can go free, the free developer playground, and finally, we'll help you assemble your brand new AI toolkit. Let's kick things off with Section 1, the AI subscription myth and the expensive lie of premium AI. Our source pulls absolutely no punches right out of the gate here. Just think about the number $20. That's the standard monthly cost for almost every premium AI chatbot out there right now. But what exactly are we getting for this money? The industry really hopes you'll just completely overlook the wildly powerful, entirely free tools that can upgrade your workflow. In fact, the source explicitly states this. The AI industry, with its slick marketing and talk of premium features, has you convinced that real power comes with a subscription. But for the vast majority of our daily tasks, the free tools aren't just good enough. They are often smarter, faster, and more creative than the paid ones we're essentially just in the habit of paying for. Moving right along to Section 2. Free research and chat, powerful models without the monthly fee. Look, we all know ChatGPT Plus sits right at that $20 a month mark to get access to their best models, and it's incredibly capable, no doubt. But here is the drop. Microsoft Copilot and Perplexity AI offer that exact same class of power and often much more current results completely for free. Let's break down Copilot first. Microsoft poured literally billions into this technology, and they are essentially just giving the keys away. The free version gives you access to the GPT-4 family of models, which is the exact same underlying tech powering the paid version of ChatGPT. Plus, you get a real-time web connection and even built-in DALL-E 3 image generation. Now, sure, paid tiers might be slightly more reliable during peak server hours, but this free tier is shockingly powerful for your daily brainstorming. And then there's Perplexity AI. If you need serious, deep research, the source defines this not just as another chatbot, but as a search engine that actually thinks. Instead of just handing you a list of links to click through, it reads the top sources, synthesizes them, and provides a direct, written answer with clickable citations. With its really generous complimentary pro searches, it's a massive upgrade in trust over general paid tools, and it will save you countless hours of digging. Section 3. Conquering massive documents. Your free personal research assistant. So we're moving from the research lie over to the productivity lie. You know, the idea that you have to pay for special summarizer tools just to get through dense PDFs or hour-long lectures. The source points to a totally free secret weapon from Google called NotebookLM. It's brilliant. You upload your own massive documents, even YouTube transcripts, you query it, and it acts as an expert solely on your data. It can even generate this incredibly lifelike, podcast-style audio overview between two AI hosts discussing your notes. It is wildly generous. But the absolutely crucial takeaway here is accuracy. NotebookLM sticks specifically to the facts and the documents you actually provide, and it gives you exact citations. This dramatically reduces AI hallucinations, which is that terrifying problem where AI just confidently makes things up out of thin air. For students, lawyers, and researchers, this isn't just a free alternative, it's a total revolution in how we process information. Section 4. Creators and artists go free. Bypassing expensive creative software. For a long time now, content creators have been sold the lie that professional results demand a premium price tag. Traditional editors like Adobe Premiere Pro or paid AI editors like Descript carry some pretty heavy costs. But countering them is CapCut Desktop. The source calls this the biggest open secret in the creator economy, pointing out that literally millions of viral videos are made on this tool that is, for the most part, entirely free. Seriously, the free tier capabilities are staggering. You're getting a full multi-track timeline, keyframes, green screen effects, and, this is huge, those highly coveted one-click auto captions.
Exporting in 1080p? Usually no watermark at all. The author stresses that CapCut gives creators 95% of what they need without ever asking for a credit card. It's built perfectly for the speed of modern content.
And then we have what the source calls the artist lie. Midjourney is fantastic for sure, but it convinced millions of people that they have to pay monthly for high-quality AI images. The source counters this with Leonardo AI, which provides a massive daily allowance of free tokens and really amazing fine-tuned models. Or, if you just need a quick asset right this second, Microsoft Copilot has DALL-E 3 built right in, on demand. You essentially have a world-class art studio right at your fingertips, entirely free of charge. Section 5. The Free Developer Playground. Building AI apps without API costs. Now, this is a slightly more advanced use case aimed at developers and tinkerers. The lie here is that you absolutely must pay a toll just to experiment. Paying for API access to models like GPT-4 can get expensive rapidly, which is pretty terrifying when you're just learning. Instead, the source introduces Google AI Studio. It's a web-based playground that lets you build with powerful Gemini models without those upfront API costs. According to the source, getting started is ridiculously easy. You can generate a free API key in seconds, often without even having to type in a credit card number, and you can begin making calls to the model from your code right away. It's pitched as an incredibly generous free tier that completely removes the financial friction when you're prototyping or running small-scale projects. Finally, Section 6, your new AI toolkit, the final financial audit. Okay, let's do a final audit of this financial intervention we've been talking about. The source presents a really direct one-to-one replacement strategy here. You swap out ChatGPT Plus for Copilot and Perplexity. You replace those expensive paid document summarizers with NotebookLM. Instead of shelling out for Premiere, use CapCut. Trade Midjourney for Leonardo AI, and paid APIs for Google AI Studio. The savings add up immediately, and you aren't sacrificing quality. The author of our source material leaves us with this incredibly strong statement. The AI industry is built on hype. My goal is to replace that hype with truth. Now, to be entirely objective here, the source does note that paid tools absolutely still have a place for large enterprises or professionals who have extreme volume needs. But for the vast majority of us, paying for AI is a choice, not a necessity. Which brings us to a final question for you today. Which free tool will you try first to stop paying the AI tax? It's time to actually take action on what we've learned today. Take a hard look at your subscriptions, see what you can comfortably cancel, and dive headfirst into these amazing free alternatives. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you on the next one.